Welcome to Mom's Recipe Diary English.
If you are new to the channel, don't forget to press subscribe. Also press bell notification and select option all. Then only you will get notifications for my new videos. Come, let's move on to the recipe.
Hello viewers, today I am going to make broken egg curry. It is also known as egg drop gravy. The ingredients for this recipe: egg 6 numbers, onions 3 finely chopped, tomato 3 finely chopped, garlic 7 pieces, curry leaves 1 bunch, coconut 7 pieces, homemade curry masala powder 1½ tablespoon. In a kadai, I have added 2 teaspoons of gingerly oil and 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil. Now the oil is hot. I am adding mustard seeds and urad dal.
The mustard seeds are popping nicely.
Now I am adding the finely chopped onions, garlic and curry leaves. Saute them nicely till the color of the onions change into nice brown color. The onions are turned brown now. In this stage, add the tomatoes and saute them nicely. Now I am adding the required salt so that the tomatoes will be cooked well. Mix it nicely, cover it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the tomatoes are cooked well and it mixed nicely with the onions. The garlic also cooked well and it dissolved nicely in the gravy. Now I am adding the homemade curry masala powder. Mix it nicely with the onion and tomato mixture and saute in the oil for 1 minute till the raw smell goes away. I have grinded the coconut in fine paste. Now I am adding that. Now I am adding the required amount of water for the gravy. Initially keep the gravy little watery, then only it will reduce to thicker consistency after adding the eggs. Mix it nicely without forming any lumps. Add the eggs once the gravy started boiling. After 5 minutes, the gravy started boiling. In this stage, I am going to add the eggs one by one. Add the eggs separately, then only it will be easier to flip the eggs once it is cooked on one side. If you add the eggs after the gravy thickens, then the eggs will not be cooked properly. Don't mix the eggs, just cover it and cook. I have added 6 eggs. Now I am going to cover it and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am going to flip the eggs one by one. The eggs are cooked well in one side. Do it slowly, otherwise the eggs will be scattered in the gravy. Now I have flipped all the eggs and I am going to cover it and cook for another 5 minutes. In this stage, taste the gravy and add the salt if needed. After 5 minutes, flip it one more time to check other side also cooked well. Both the sides are cooked well. Now I am going to keep the stove in low for 2 minutes for the oil to separate. This is the right consistency we are looking for. In this stage, switch off the stove. The tasty egg drop curry is ready to eat now. It is suitable for rice, idli and dosa. Try this recipe in your home also. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to Mom's Recipe Diary English. Thanks for watching.